Hi, I'm Nikki Holland, Managing Consultant and Global Partner Growth Lead at Saville Assessment. Come and join our workshop at the Atria Conference, where we'll be sharing our work roles report and providing a taster of our team coaching sessions. Team building isn't just about icebreaker exercises and making friends with colleagues, it's about understanding and aligning individual working styles to enhance team success. Underpinning our approach is Saville Assessment's dedication to validity, the ability to accurately predict workplace behaviours and performance. Backed by our WAVE model of behaviour and over 20 years of big data, our work roles model provides accurate insights and practical tips on improving both individual and team performance. Work roles defines 8 different roles that team members typically take on in group settings. The report highlights an individual's level of preference for each of these roles, providing a holistic picture of a person, never defining someone by a single type. As well as building greater awareness and understanding at an individual level, we explore the impact of different role preferences working together. We include paired activities and group exercises to embed the learning and outline tangible actions to drive improvements. Those who attend our workshop will be invited to complete our online WAVE questionnaire and receive their own work roles report at a later date. Looking forward to seeing you all in March.